Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDRAW tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to export CorelDRAW file as PDF without any noise. Let me show you how. So, like for instance, this particular Corel file right here, I'm going to export it in PDF file format. So for that, what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and so for example, this particular Corel design file right here, I'm going to export it as PDF file. And for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here, where you have this icon right here. Click on that. And this is going to come up right here. Then here, you have different file formats right here, so that you can easily export as. As for me, I'm going to simply export this particular file as PDF by default right here. So Adobe document format. Then I'm going to enter the title of the design. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on desktop right here. Then locate where I want to save the file. So I'm going to save it in my backup file right here. And I'll go ahead and click on export. And this preview setting here is going to pump up right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on OK. And just like so, design has been successfully exported as PDF. So let's go ahead and view the design. So I have it in my backup folder right here. Backup, open up the folder, desktop, and I have it in my backup file right here. So you have the design right here, so I can easily click on it and open the PDF file right now. So here we go. We have it in PDF file format right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDRAW tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you.